Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I thought I'd do a video on me unboxing just a little bit of Happy Mail. So I have some stickers that I ordered from Daisy May Plans, and it took a little while for these to get here because she is, I think, over in the UK. But these are beautiful flowers. And then I also ordered that mini Happy Planner cover that I was telling you guys about, excuse me, from Notiq. So I'm going to open this one first. This is the one I'm most excited about. So I did go ahead and cut the tape on it, and of course took my address off. So let's just pull this out. There's my packing slip in the bottom there. So we have this pretty packaging, and the reason I ordered this is because it's just the pretty blush pink cover, which Happy Planner does not offer. So, and then I have a cute little note. All right, let's get this tissue and note out of here, and look at this. This is like a little velvet pouch that it comes in, and let's see what it looks like. This is so pretty, and there's goodies in here too. I didn't know it came with goodies. So let's see. So there's a little protective piece on the queue here. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that off. I'm gonna have a setup video for you guys where I redo my mini, because if you've watched any of my other videos, you know I hadn't been using my mini, and I'm going back to it now. So let's see. It's got a nice button clasp here. And okay, so this looks like this is probably a pen in this pretty black velvet little pouch. Let's see what kind of pen we got. Oh, nice heavy black pen, black and gold. And it might be a gel tip pen because it has this little rubber piece on it. I'll have to do a pen test on that and see how it writes. Let's do that real quick. I'm just gonna write on here. So I like the way that writes. It's nice and smooth. So it is, I think, a gel tip pen. It's not a ballpoint. Maybe they call it roller ball. So then we have a little paper clip here. And I got pen on my fingernail. This is cute. I don't know if this is a paper clip or not. I don't know what this is. Maybe it is. Just clips like this. Yeah, that's really cute. So we'll put that right there. And then we have the little cue card that gives us information. And now let's see. This also, look at this. I think these are covers, and these are really thick and sturdy covers. And I have a good idea about how I'm going to use these. So yeah, I'm really excited now. I'm glad these came with it. So I would actually, like, one side is smooth and the other side, I think, it might be my mind playing tricks on me, my eyes playing tricks on me, but I am going to have fun setting this up. So we have a back pocket back here to slide your planner in, slide your planner in here, and then we have these little pockets here. So we have 1, 2, 3 little pockets, and then this big slide-in pocket where I would put, I don't know, bills or something like that. And then we have, oh, I love this. So these are little card slots where you can put your credit cards. Like, I have a lot of cards that I don't use very often, and these slots actually have, there's pockets, so there's a bottom, so you won't lose your card like inside here. And then we have this big pretty pocket here. So I'm excited. Oh, look, there's a pen loop too. Let's see. This is my favorite pen ever, the Inkjoy gel pen, and look, it fits perfectly. And that is an accomplishment because a lot of pen holders, pen loops will not accommodate that big barrel pen. So I really like this. Be looking for my new setup video with my new mini, and I'm excited about this. So I'll probably get that done here shortly for you guys. All right, so now let's look at the flowers, the stickers that I got from Daisy May Plans on Etsy. Let's see. It says, thank you for ordering from Daisy May Plans. And look, oh my gosh, these are so pretty. All right. Let's see. So I got, this is called Red and Blue. So she has different sets. So this is Red and Blue set A, and it has all different sizes, but I love these colors together. Like, these are nice colors to use for fall, but still be bright and colorful. And then this is Red and Blue set B. And then we have, so this is just like a gray and white, kind of blackish gray and white. And I only got one set of these just to see if I liked them. And these are also paper stickers. So I was thinking they might be clear, but I'm glad that they're paper. So you don't have to worry about lines showing through your flowers. This is called Pink and White. This is set B. And this is really pretty too. I love these soft pink, blush pink colors. And then we have another blue. I ordered a lot, actually. I ordered enough to get free shipping. So, and I think it was like $40 to get free shipping. So this is Navy and White set B. I was just really liking the blue flowers. So this is set B here. And then look at this. I don't have a name for these, but this is just a really pretty color blue with another like blush pink and some lighter blues in it. Like I said, I was really loving the blue. Now this is like a peachy color, peachy and coral with almost like a tan and gray florals. I don't have a name for this one either. And then this must have been like the second one of the other sets of the same flower. So yeah, you can see the difference here in these two different ones. This is one big flower here, and you don't have that on this sheet. So she has different sets. And let's see, two more. So this is a really pink, really pretty pink, like blush pink. It's almost like faded watercolor, but I like it. It's really cute. And then I also liked this lavender and pink color. And of course I only got one of these. So this is my Daisy May Plans order, and I'm probably going to be using, let's see, which ones do I want to use for this coming spread. You'll probably have already seen by now me doing a plan with me with these. These really caught my eye whenever I placed my order. So these are like my absolute favorite from Daisy May Plans. So I will try to link her store, her Etsy shop, down in the description box for you if you're interested in going and buying some of her pretty florals. Like I said, it's not Amazon Prime shipping, okay, because she is way across the pond over there. And this actually shipped. It was kind of cool. I've never ordered anything from over in another country like this except Kiki K, and that's Australia. But this was delivered by Royal Mail, and there was no tracking for it. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to track it. So it was just kind of a surprise whenever I got it in the mail today. But I'll link her shop, Daisy May Plans, down in the bottom. And then I'll also have an affiliate code for Notiq. Or if I do have an affiliate code, I'm trying to reach out to them to get one for you guys, to get you a little discount if you're interested in ordering her planners or her planner covers. She does have, or she does make this same cover for a classic size Happy Planner, but when I ordered, they were currently out of stock. So I did sign up for email notifications when that one comes back into stock. So that's it for my Happy Mail. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and you'll give me a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I do plan with me videos twice a week. I use the dashboard layout Happy Planner in the mini and the classic. So if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell up there, change it to all so you get all notifications whenever I upload. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.